In this video, I'm going to show you how to share only one tab in Google Sheets. Launch your Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Sheets. Let's open a document. As you can see, this spreadsheet contains multiple sheets in it. Suppose I need to share Sheet 1. If I click on Share, the other sheets will also be shared with it, but I don't want to share the other sheets. To resolve this, right-click on Sheet 1. In the pop-up menu, click on Copy To. Now click on New Spreadsheet. This copies your selected tab to a completely new spreadsheet. After copying, click on Open Spreadsheet. Here is your selected tab opened in a new spreadsheet. If you click on Share, it will ask you to name the spreadsheet. Let's name it Format 2. After renaming, you can share this sheet with anyone you want.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.